done, normally what is done during SIMOPS workshop, we see there are two ways. Either we go for pack-wise, work pack, or we make a common SIMOPS matrix for all work pack. And if you feel that, say for example, instrument has got different work pack, so I can mention it here. And this sheet can be used anywhere when you are going to do this kind of activity. So normally what I would encourage to make one global worksheet, and then if required, then we can use the same worksheet and we can divide on work pack wise work pack. So this is my suggestion, because I know at no guess, and to be honest, I don't want to make any recommendation for you guys, for construction people, for HSC people. I'm very sure they will make a lot of recommendation here in the risk assessment, that I don't want to take any recommendation. I want to make everything LR so that you don't have anything during the construction, during the SIMOPS. So that is why I would suggest to let us make a global risk, SIMOPS matrix. And if there is a requirement, I will put it here. This is applicable for work pack number 1, 2, or if you wish, we can add one column here. Applicable work pack, applicable. Like
if you will allow me,
yeah,
just